you miss me? I hope you did. Good morning, y'all. All things Tanya here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I think I'm gonna be bringing y'all like a day in a life, because I have a lot of stuff to do. I have a lot of stuff to do, but it's not enough to be a cleaning motivational video. And I know I haven't been bringing y'all any cleaning motivational videos lately, but it's coming. Just be patient with me. It's coming, sis. If I had somebody to edit my videos, y'all, I'd be putting out videos like, but I don't. So y'all know how editing can be. But I have a lot to do. Laundry is one of them. Y'all, I always do this to myself. I wash clothes, then I don't feel like folding them. Then if I folded them, I don't feel like putting them away. But anyway, I'm going to put my little checklist here and we're going to get this day started. So come along with me. All right, you guys, I'm in the kitchen. I'm about to go ahead and fix LG and I some breakfast. Well, actually, just him, because I don't eat until after I finish my workout. I did meal prep yesterday, some scrambled tofu. So he's going to have a scrambled tofu burrito and probably the rest of that bacon that my father had. Okay, hold on, LJ. So I'm going to go ahead and get him situated, and then I'm going to start my morning daily checklist. So let's go. Let's get this breakfast. I'm done with LJ's burrito. He's eating. I'm gonna set him at the table so I can get started doing what I have to do. Is it good, Bubby? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna set him down so I can get done what I need to do. All right, y'all. So I have my 2 loads of laundry right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and I separated the clothes, the boys' clothes from the girls' clothes. I'm going to start off with folding my oldest son's clothes first because he didn't have that many things. And I like to separate the clothes before I fold them because it just helps me psych myself out and get this folded done. So I hope you guys are folding along with me. Grab your baskets, girl. Don't fold about 2 or 3 shirts and then call it quits. Now we got to keep going. So right here, I'm folding as I go, and then you're going to see me separate all the t-shirts, and then I'm gonna proceed to separate LJ's clothes into categories too, like his shirts, underwear, pants, etc. y'all. So let's get this folding started. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. Oh no. If you decide to leave, okay, you guys, look at LJ. He is trying to help me. He is so funny, you guys. I just love him so much. He keeps me motivated. He always trying to help. I think it is important when you're cleaning up to have your kids there, to have them doing something. So even though he's playing, but he is still trying to help. Bless his little heart. I love him so much. hey, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. I am a wife, a stay-at-home mom to 4, and stepmom to 2. On my channel, you can find cleaning motivation videos, lifestyle, beauty, and I am trying to dabble in some decor. I'm not a decorator, but I be trying, y'all. So welcome. Thank you for being here. To my new subscribers, welcome to the fam, girl. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. And to all my returning subscribers, y'all know what it is. Thank you for stopping by again and supporting and showing your girl some love on another video. And if you are doing Vlogtober, all you content creators, I am praying for you because this is hard work, but we got this. You can do it. Stay motivated, keep going, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting this video. And then I let it shine on you. Laundry is done, as you guys can see, so I'm gonna move on to vacuum out this couch. So let's get this thing started because I'm gonna have to go get the girls from school, so I gotta hurry up. So I'm gonna start vacuuming out the couch. Let's go.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another video for Vlogtober with me. I appreciate you guys watching. Before you leave, please make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.